Popular dancehall entertainer Shaneil Muir collapses due to exhaustion. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Fast rising DJ Shaneil Muir is recuperating after it is reported that she collapsed yesterday. The recording superstar has been ordered by her doctor to rest after she collapsed in Montego Bay, St. James on Saturday. The dancehall entertainer was at a A&B complex on Market Street in the Second City and also her hometown when she collapsed. A statement issued by her team said that she was taken to the GOS Medical Center, where she was assessed and sent on several days leave due to stress-related symptoms and exhaustion, which led to her collapse. The fast-rising female entertainer was scheduled to perform at Shays on the Beach in Ocho St. Anne's last night and Cups Up in Hartford, Connecticut, USA on Sunday. She has apologized to her fans and promoters and stated that she vowed to take better care of herself and also her health. Shaneil Muir has also committed to speaking openly about her situation via social media pages as soon as she is physically and mentally able to do so, according to her team. A number of individuals and fans and friends of the rising female have took to social media just in order to wish her a speedy recovery, and we here at Links 007 TV as well just want to take this opportunity just to wish her a speedy recovery and all the best with her musical career. As you know, Shaneil Muir is one of those rising female dancehall entertainer that has been steadily getting that buzz not only locally but on the international scene as well, and it's very sad to see what happened to her recently with this situation, but all I can tell her, I wish her all the best, and I know that she will make a full and speedy recovery. She just needs to take that time in order to reflect on herself and think about her own health during this difficult time, because I know that within the music space itself, it's not an easy thing to be here, there, and everywhere, and especially when you're getting that buzz and you're all over the place, different countries, and just on different avenues and tours right across the country, and also at different places at different times, and you have studio to do and the whole entire thing that comes with being a recording artist. So she just have to put herself first right now and just take this opportunity for herself to recuperate and just bounce back and bounce back good. So this has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and much respect goes out to Shaneil Muir. We wish her all the best and hopefully a speedy recovery and be back on the stage very soon, my darling. Alright, so this is where we're gonna touch out on this one, Celebrity Scoop. First time you're watching, please subscribe to the channel. Alright, peace out and bless.